As a sales manager, you probably have a set of sales playbooks you want your reps to follow for certain types of product and prospects. With high-velocity sales cadences, you can program your preferred sales outreach patterns right into Salesforce. This lets your sales team efficiently help prospects along the journey from prospective buyer to actual customer. When you build sales cadences, reps can easily see which prospects are due for which outreach, whether it's an email, phone call, text message, or some other method. When your reps start using your sales cadences, their work becomes faster and easier. You can report on which sales cadences are most effective, make changes to your outreach, and then report on whether your new sales cadences result in better outcomes. Before you build your first sales cadence, think about what the journey from potential customer to buyer should look like for your customers. How would you like sales reps to communicate to your potential buyers, and what would you like them to say? What series of customer interactions will result in the most lead conversions? You build sales cadences from the high-velocity sales app in Salesforce. The HVS app appears as a console view, making it easy to see everything you need to create and manage your sales cadences. When you open the HVS app, you see the work queue, where sales reps will look to see the sales cadences they're working on and which of their prospects are due for each sales outreach and each sales cadence. Creating a sales cadence is simple. You just create the sales cadence record and then add your outreach steps. The only challenging part is deciding what outreach you want your sales reps to do. To add a sales cadence, we'll choose Sales Cadences from the navigation menu. Now we're ready to build a sales cadence that your reps can follow in their work queue. First, you'll give it a name and a description. Next, you can start adding outreach steps in the Sales Cadence Builder. Just click the plus icon to add an outreach step. For the first step in the sales cadence, we'll add a call step. A call step is a sales action, so we'll click Action. For the call step, we'll add a name and a description. You can also choose a call script for your sales reps to follow. When reps make the call from their work queue, the script appears automatically. When you're finished with the detail for each outreach step, save it. When you use a call script or an email template for a step, its name appears below the step. To see a preview of the call script, click the eye icon. After a call step, you can add a branch step that puts the prospect on one of two outreach sequences, depending on the result of the sales call. The rule branch steps use a call results field, which represents the result of the call. Next, choose a call result you want to branch on. Meaningful Connect means the sales rep spoke with the prospect successfully. When you click Save, the Sales Cadence Builder creates two branches in your outreach sequence. If the call results in a meaningful connect, the sales cadence uses the step you add to the Yes branch. Otherwise, the sales cadence uses the step you add to the No branch. Let's add an automatic email to the No branch. If the call does not result in a meaningful connection, the sales cadence will send the target a simple follow-up email. Let's call this email Auto Follow-up and use the automatic follow-up template for soft leads. On the Yes branch, we can add a wait step to let some time pass before the next sales outreach. We'll add a 2-hour wait. Now let's add a sales step to the Yes branch for leads who responded positively to the introductory call. We'll have some sales reps send them a manual email with more information about the newest product line. Now we can create another branch in the sales cadence to customize the sales outreach depending on whether the lead opens that email. For this branch, we'll use a listener, which listens for whether or not the lead opens the previous email. Tell the listener how long to listen for, and whether to advance the sales cadence as soon as the target opens the email or only after the listening period expires. We'll advance the sales cadence when the target engages. On the No branch after the email, we can add another automated email step using the same cold leads templates as before. Let's call this email Auto Follow-up 2. For the leads that do open the previous email, we can add another sales step to the Yes branch. let's add a custom step that instructs the sales reps to send the lead a LinkedIn email. For the email step, we'll add a custom step and include instructions for a sales rep to send the LinkedIn email. After the LinkedIn custom step, we'll add a final phone call to try and convert the lead. At the end of each branch in your sales cadence, you can link to another sales cadence. Any leads that reach the end of that branch will automatically be added to the linked sales cadence. After adding and saving the last step, you're ready to activate your sales cadence. You can only add prospects to your active sales cadences. With your sales cadence active, you can start adding prospects to it, such as leads, contacts, and person accounts. Just go to a lead record and click Add to Sales Cadence. Now that you have a sales cadence with some prospects, your sales reps can see the sales cadence along with which prospects are due for each step in their work queue. You can also see your sales cadences and add prospects in the Sales app. In the Sales Cadences tab, you can see all your sales cadences and the prospects added to each of them. The Sales Cadence Targets Related list shows you all the prospects added to the sales cadence. The Sales Cadence Steps Related list shows the number of calls made, emails sent, and emails open for the step in the sales cadence. You can also add prospects to your sales cadence from the Sales app. When you use sales cadences, you can report on how each of them is doing. The Sales Cadence Engagement Report tells you which of your sales cadences are getting the most attention from your prospects. For each of the sales cadence, you can see how many emails were opened, how many calls have been made, and more. Other reports let you see the details of how many leads your sales cadences are converting, which sales reps are making the most calls, and what the results are. There are reports about prospective engagements with your emails and call scripts too. And there are Einstein Analytics dashboards showing email and call engagement statistics, sales cadence performance, and more. To learn more, check out these resources, or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.